Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download VLC Media Player quickly and safely. If you're installing it for the first time or downloading the latest version for your computer, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's get right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and search for the official VLC Media Player website. Be sure to choose the official page so you're downloading the genuine software and not a copy from an unknown source. Once you're on the website, you'll see a large Download VLC button on the home page. Click it, and the site will automatically detect your operating system and begin downloading the correct installer. If the download doesn't start automatically, you can manually choose your operating system from the available options. After the download begins, wait for the installer file to finish downloading. Yeah, the time it takes depends on your internet connection, but it usually only takes a few moments. Once it's complete, you can find the file in your Downloads folder, and it's ready to install whenever you want. Before opening the installer, you can confirm that it came from the official website for extra peace of mind. I mean, that's always a good habit when downloading any software. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to download VLC Media Player safely and get the latest version for your device. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.